Hi, guys, welcome. We have been talking about mindset shifts, leadership, so much. But you know what? This is Diwali time, and you definitely need a sparkle where you actually cheer yourself up to make this special for all the viewers, whether in Kenya or India or worldwide. Today, we have with us someone who has been driving this entertainment, this sparkle throughout all the Indians here in Kenya through their podcast, through their radio jockey, being music, being any entertainment, attending the awards, the Bollywood awards. We have today Shubrika and Prashant. I would like to welcome them with whole heart, and I'm super excited today. Let's welcome them. Hi, Shubrika.
Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
Prashant. How are you?
It sounded like I am a pataka, like a bomb.
That's why you're bought in
Amazing.
Diwali, you see.
So she's the sparkle,
Great.
I am the pataka.
Amazing. Great. We want that because we have been talking about leadership and growth, and it is absolutely important. But at the same time, life should be a balance of laughter, sparkle, and patakas.
Absolutely.
Yes. So, would
And
you like
sweets
to?
as well.
Yes, definitely. So, would you just introduce yourself because I have given a very brief introduction and I want you to take it up.
Well, I'm a live example of what a man should be.
Multi-talented.
Multi talented. I mean, that's what people say. It's very difficult, I mean, this question has taken me by jolt.
Okay.
Like, how do I introduce myself? What do I say? We are used to giving introduction to people
Right.
and then they have to introduce us.
Of course.
So when you say introduce yourself, I felt like I am
It's
in my sales interview where they give you the pen and tell you sell this
Tell
pen to me now.
us.
So I don't know how do I introduce. Okay,
I think people will know over the whole episode. They are going to know you
I know. I
anyway.
mean, I'll
But
just
it's
like to
it's
say that
yeah.
we have come in Kenya. Kenya is our home. We have been here for 15 years now. We came here for a professional commitment.
Right.
Now we are into media. We are radio presenters. We do podcast. We do humanitarian work. We are working with the community. So yes, I think more in the podcast will
We
reveal
will reveal
good
so
things about
much.
ourselves.
Yes, of course, of course. Yeah, Shubrika.
I'm in media industry for last 25 years. In India, I was a news anchor. Then I went to radio. Then I came here. Media is something which always calls me. Even if
Okay.
I'm not interested, when we came to
People-
Kenya, we didn't know that there is a Bollywood radio station. We got
right.
to know that there is a Bollywood station in the same compound where we
Wow.
landed.
Wow.
So can you imagine? Actually, media followed me, and and I'm a daughter of a diamond merchant. I
Okay.
am a diamond merchant, but still,
Wow.
being in radio and being in media has always given me more recognition.
Correct. And I think that's driving you. That's your passion.
Yeah.
So you must be enjoying it. That's the reason, universe gives it back to you that yes,
Yes.
this is what you have to do.
I think
You
this
know,
is
I
what we
think
are
I
made
think
for.
this is destiny.
Uh-huh.
Regarding Shubrika, I was an associate vice president in a corporate company,
Right.
so I didn't wanted to come here. And she was into media since more than 15 years,
Yes.
and she wanted to leave all that media frenzy. I have seen her photos on hoardings,
Uh-huh.
behind the rickshaws,
Wow.
taxis, and
Wow.
so she has seen that fame.
Right.
Now she wanted to leave all that. Imagine.
Right.
I mean, it is always when you're outside, you feel,
You feel you
the
want
grass is
that.
greener on the other
Correct.
side. So
Correct.
she wanted to leave all that and come into her family business, that is jewelry.
Right.
That's what she came in Kenya for.
Oh,
I just followed her for a 2 months holiday.
okay.
So I had my thing going on over there. I had around 22 branches. So I was an associate vice president, doing all that corporate stuff.
Right.
So I came with her in Kenya just for a holiday.
Okay.
And imagine when she came here for that jewelry business, that deal didn't work out.
Hmm.
And as she mentioned that there was a radio station just in our compound, and imagine she left radio in India and joined radio in Kenya. So That's the destiny.
Amazing, amazing. But I'm sure you're enjoying it.
Yes, yes, very much, very much.
Yeah,
It's not like a work for me.
correct.
We enjoy it, and it's like life for me, frankly
Right,
speaking.
right. Because I follow you a lot
Yeah.
on whether it's social media or especially when I'm, listening to radio. I definitely make sure I tune into when you are there. So yes, because it's so good to, okay, I'm not pinpointing anyone, okay, but when you see the Kenyans speaking Hindi, and when
हाँ, वो
you see,
फ़र्क आता है।
वो फर्क,
वो
yeah,
हमारा
पता
प्लस
चल
पॉइंट
जा,
है बिकॉज़ वी आर thoroughly good in Hindi as well.
right,
So, yes, we are able to connect with the people,
correct,
audience,
correct.
listeners, viewers much better.
क्योंकि वो जो कनेक्शन आपका
Yes.
व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट शाहरुख खान
हाँ,
एंड व्हेन समवन एल्स
actually,
टॉक
it makes
अबाउट इट
difference.
इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट बिकॉज यू हैव लिव्ड दैट एरा व्हेन शाहरुख खान वाज द
हाँ.
किंग आई मीन ही इज स्टिल बट इट्स डिफरेंट व्हेन you have been in that atmosphere,
Yeah,
right?
it makes a difference. Obviously, here people are doing really a good job.
Right,
But yes, there are different audiences for different kind of people, you can say.
correct.
Basically,
Yeah.
what she's trying to say, we are better than the best.
I like that attitude. Actually, we should be doing that. One thing I like, there's this the Kapil Sharma show. So I like him only for one reason. All the time any guests come, he keeps on saying, "You are so lucky that you're on my."
Yeah.
So I really love
So
that
you are so
statement.
lucky we are there on the show.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so let's talk about more, about your journey. How did you find, I mean, when you came from that media in India, was it still entertainment or what kind of?
Difference?
Yeah.
There's not much difference when it comes to creativity,
Hmm.
but yes, in the way of working, there's a lot of difference.
Right.
In India, when we came, it was on its peak.
Hmm.
So we had so many helping hands there,
Right.
like starting from your makeup artist to producer to director to every cameraman's, and all were at par professionals.
Right.
When we came here, things were different.
Correct.
We had a lot of liberty on what we wanted to do, but
Because
at the
you
same
are
time
kind
we
of.
had to do everything on our own. So yeah, I mean, things are different, but frankly speaking, the love and recognition you receive here is higher, and the warmth of people which you receive is much higher because there's so many in India, you see,
Correct.
and
Correct.
here there are very few ones, so the warmth you receive is very much higher.
And you actually connect to people, isn't it? Like,
Yes,
because it's
much
kind of
better.
small community,
Yeah.
literally you know everyone.
Yes.
So when you meet them personally also, like when they recognize you, it's different.
When we used to go in India, we used to have a security guards were required, and the crowd was like 5,000, 10,000 people,
Wow.
and it was very, we couldn't connect one to one. Here, I think almost everybody who are our
Hmm.
listeners, viewers, they can come talk to us.
Right.
We can talk to them. We know who they are.
Exactly.
So things
We
are
know their
different.
kid's name also.
Yes. Though sometimes
One
I
I know
forget.
he's having an affair also. So it's that is
Don't
that
disclose
connection.
that.
We are not
Just leave
disclosing,
Though
but
it.
is
sometimes
that
I
personal?
I forget the name of my own kids. But yes.
Amazing, amazing. See, this is the cheer I really wanted. It's so good to have you here. So let's talk. I think recently you attended some award function. It was IFA.
Yes, yes.
So tell
We
us more
have been
about
with
it.
IFA for quite a few years. And Prashant is very good in Bollywood general knowledge. So he remembers
That's why I was
everyone.
bad at studies.
And
But
that's
even me,
why,
I love Bollywood movies. I like, it's my thing. Every Saturday I have to watch a movie,
Right.
and my kids are into it now. They just know which movie today is the thing.
Yes, there are quite a few celebrities whom we got to see, we got to talk to, and Prashant knows quite a few people in Bollywood. So
Uh huh.
yes, he is quite like encyclopedia. If you ask me,
Uh huh.
sometimes I it's tough for me to understand कि कौन जा रहा है आगे से इससे क्या सवाल पूछा जाए. But Prashant, he knows all of them. He understands what to ask, what not to ask, and his energy level.
Mm.
If I go and shout there at IFA, there are around thousands of media. And yes, it's a very big thing for us to go and receive
Right.
such
All the
recognition.
way from Kenya, and
Yeah,
presenting it live. I
yeah,
think that it's live as well, yeah, on the
yeah.
radios and
It's a
all.
good opportunity.
Yeah.
a fantastic
No, it's
option.
good, even other media from Kenya come, and it's we feel very proud along with them also
Yeah,
to represent Kenyan media.
Correct.
In
absolutely.
fact, superstar Bobby Deol,
Mm-hmm.
we spoke to them,
Uh-huh.
and to one Kenyan media, he says, "How many people have come from Kenya?" But it felt so nice
Correct.
that there were 800 media people from around the world, and
Wow.
a celebrity like Bobby Deol says, "How many of you have come from Kenya?"
So
Which is a
Kenya,
good thing from
yeah, they,
Kenya.
they just know the Kenya
Yes,
is there and it's
exactly.
it's shining high.
Yes.
Great, great, great. I think you also have your own travel blog or a channel.
Yes, we started that as a hobby.
Uh-huh.
And thankfully, we have a perfect set of family, a boy and a girl, and perfect age. So, and they are really charmers, and they are very talented, more than us, you can say.
And who doesn't like free holidays?
Yes,
That's the
they
main reason.
love, they enjoy holidays, and they enjoy food,
Correct.
thankfully. So,
That is a blessing, not
yes,
all kids are like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
yes,
If your kids enjoy food,
yeah.
you are blessed.
Yeah,
Exactly.
very true. So, yes, we started a family vlog as a hobby,
Mm-hmm.
and it's doing quite well. In
Uh-huh.
fact, we already have quite a few more holidays
Yeah, all this year
Planned.
slate. Yeah,
is
Nice.
lined up.
yeah, lined
Nice.
up.
And we
Please,
have
please share
decided
the secret. I start
exactly.
something like
And we have
that.
decided we are going to promote Kenya first.
Of
Yes.
course.
So we
Yeah.
have that lined up, and very soon we'll see that. We wanted to promote Magical Kenya. So we have
Right.
even spoken with our partner, and then the government, the travel agency. So we want to promote Kenya, and we have
Wow.
to make sure that more and more people visit Kenya.
Because it is beautiful, isn't it?
It
The
is.
Absolutely.
national park, the Masai Mara, the national parks we have. Once we went to Assam in India, and they said yes, you will get to see the rhinos.
Right.
And we were here on the road, and I think maybe 20 or 100 kilometers far there was
One
small
rhino.
rhino you could see.
Right.
And I said, see, you can see the rhino. I said, please come to Masai Mara.
Yeah.
You will see them just even in Nairobi National Park
Actually,
for
we
that
have,
matter.
so natural beauty. And, the day we landed in Kenya, we were so happy. I mean, as she mentioned already, the warmth of the people, the
Right,
natural
right.
beauty. Somewhere you feel that in India, people probably don't value. Now they have started, probably in the last
I
five,
don't know,
seven
but
years.
here the culture is, I
But,
agree.
we also have natural beauty there.
Right.
But here it is on a different level.
Different
So we
level.
want to, play our small part in
Correct,
probably getting the world to Kenya,
right.
and for people to know how magical Kenya is. And
Correct. Absolutely.
definitely we are on the right path. And probably I see 10 or 15 years Kenya being one of the
Top
superpowers of Africa.
destinations for
Top
safaris.
there.
Of course, of course. Sure, we pray for that. I would love to see you grow along with that.
Absolutely.
And maybe once you are having a good free holidays, you pass on one to us.
No, we do that. We pass on gifts, so many gifts, and yes, why not if we
I
get
should
the
be in touch with
opportunity?
you
you
more.
know
Yeah.
probably this is long time before COVID.
Right.
It happened accidentally. I mean,
Okay.
she's been into media, I've been into events. I'm not like very professionally into media, but I've been into that. But we did like one travel vlog, which probably, the hotel owner told us that probably there were 15 or 20 people because of your vlog,
Oh,
who had done the
nice.
bookings. That is where it triggered that we are doing this all for free.
So let's
I
do
mean,
it.
why?
And
So
yeah, for
that's how it
me, yeah, I
started.
love television more than radio, you can say.
Right.
So I think that, yeah, that's our strong point. Our faces
Correct.
are good enough to be there on the screens.
See,
So
the,
why
the
not?
the the point is you feel that
Yeah.
your faces are good. That's the most important part. As far as you are enjoying, it's great,
Yes,
great.
yes.
No, but she's worked with big brands like Airtel, MTV. She was one of the finalists of the earliest reality show in India, Z Cinema.
Oh,
So she was the finalist for the India's first movie jockey.
right.
So I mean, she's done all that. So yes, but
So we have a hidden
she's
gem
my
here.
she's my
She's
mentor. Yeah. So
of course, you keep on learning from
yes,
each other,
absolutely.
and that's the best. Even I mean, just drifting apart from the topic, but I have seen where couples actually help each other. That's where they really grow.
Yes,
and it's the amazing chemistry I can see.
absolutely.
If I have to put it in comparison to Bollywood couples, I would say Ritesh and Genevieve.
Oh yeah, I mean that's a good example. That's a good example to give.
Great. So, if you have to select, any good topic for Diwali as such, what would that be? I mean, what would be your dream Diwali doing something in Kenya,
You
which
know,
brings that Bollywood vibes or
Diwali is all about festivities, all about celebrations. I think only one thing should be associated, that is happiness.
right,
People are struggling to be happy today.
right.
That is what is more important. And because life is becoming more and more stressful, so we just hope that we spread happiness. And that's what we say on the radio, spread the love.
Right.
That is what is more important. We keep on spreading the love, spread the happiness, so that people get that small happiness due to us. And
Correct.
if I can bring a smile on your face, this happens with us, like this Navratri, Ganesh Utsav, we were there, in the society, going and meeting people, attending religious functions. The way people come and speak to you, and then we discuss that what have we done.
Correct.
We just do bug bug on the radio, we don't even
But the
think.
people need that,
But the
Mm.
people,
even
when
if
they
it is in
come
the
and
morning.
connect,
It,
the
yeah,
way they say, we feel that how have we touched their heart so much,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
and why are they so happy to come and meet us. They take photographs. Okay, there are some who say that my kid loves you, so I want a photograph so that I can show my
Sure,
kid.
sure.
So there's happiness in abundance, and that's what makes us happy, I think.
Again, it
Yeah,
multiplies.
multiplies.
Great.
Diwali is something which is actually like to celebrate with your family, friends, and we are really happy to be in a country where we get enough time for that.
Of
So,
course.
yeah, we would
I
just
can't
like to
agree
remind,
more. In
yeah,
India, literally, there's no time. You have to,
yes,
I
actually.
don't know how they spare that time to even
Yes,
prepare and
very
decor
true.
the
And
house.
nowadays you have got so much stuff around to bring home and decorate your houses.
Yeah, yeah.
So
The
yeah,
simplicity is somewhere,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
और असली मजा तो सबके साथ
yes.
है.
So take out time for your family, for your friends, and yeah, dress well and smile better.
Right. And what would be the thing that people, especially in Kenya, the Indians who are expats, who come here for the first time, they don't really have families, the and especially
Yeah,
the immediate
quite
families there.
few
So
ones.
what should they do? I mean, apart from listening to radio and to you too.
There are quite a few community events. There's so many places where we are actually playing all these fireworks, and sweets are there, community events are there. Go and be a part of your community, and I think your Diwali will be really beautiful.
This is very important, as she
Yes,
said, to be a part of the community.
yes.
Let me tell
Right.
you, let me give you my personal
I'm just
example.
going to hide somewhere because I don't really come into any
Yeah.
community.
No, you
So,
should. In fact, in
I know.
Kenya, you must.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
where actual life is, frankly
Right.
speaking. In
Right.
India, you have enough of your family, your friends.
Correct.
You actually don't need to do that. And
Right.
In India, I think people are getting away from this community culture. We actually don't know why.
Yeah.
But here you're blessed to be in a community where there's so many community groups. People love to mingle. People love to support. So I think you should.
I've told
I
this
should, yeah.
before. I mean, I'm a Maharashtrian. So
That's why I was
I,
saying I
yeah,
never
so
come to
I,
that.
I have never got time to go even to my relatives' place.
Wow.
So, but when I came here, we were kind of lonely and searching for friends.
Exactly. Exactly.
And we were passing by and we saw Maharashtra Mandal written. We thought, oh, why not go and ask them who's here? What do we
Right.
do? And that's how I joined the community. Today, I'm the chairman of Maharashtra Mandal. Fortunately, it's an 80-year-old organization, institution. So I feel blessed, to be a part of the family. The culture, the tradition, which probably I never celebrated in my
In
family, I'm doing it
in India.
everything over here.
Right.
So, to all the expats, go and join your community. Probably you never did it in India, but do it here. I mean, it really matters for your kids at least.
Right. Right.
When we post pictures on our social media, uh, people in India, they see our pictures in that Rajasthani Rajputana dress. I'm a
Right.
Marwadi.
Even I had seen that.
Yeah, so sometimes in Maharashtrian dress, sometimes in a Gujarati dress, I'm doing Garba. So people feel that, are you actually playing fancy dress or what? Because in India they hardly get time and
For your
opportunity to do
own,
all
yeah,
these
yeah,
things.
yeah,
And here we are blessed that we can actually mingle with all the communities well,
correct.
and we can enjoy all the traditions and values.
I think that's
Yeah.
the thing that comes with when you shift away from India,
Yes.
and especially in Kenya. I think
Especially in
the
Kenya.
the culture, the way
Yes.
each and every community
Yeah.
maintains their own culture, it's
Also in India,
amazing.
it's become more of commercial.
Yeah,
Everything is become commercial.
correct,
Unfortunately,
correct,
here we are still down to the tradition,
correct.
culture.
Very true.
And, very jokingly, we say every High Commissioner of India who comes, we tell them, you will be tired attending events.
Events.
And probably after 3 years, 10
They
years,
say
you'll
that.
not even feel like going back anywhere.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
true. We
And
came
it's
here
such
for
a
15 days. It's been 15 years.
you
And I think
never
for
went
the
back.
next 15 years, we don't have plans to move.
That is
Yeah.
so incredible. I would have loved to play a Bollywood game with you.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
But let me think of something.
Are you going to give any hampers like Karan Johar?
I
I
wish
don't
the
like to
day
do anything free now. I'm
the
an
day
influencer.
the day I create my Dharma Productions, I will start doing
Sure.
that.
We'll get iPhone 17
Pro
Max,
Max.
Pro Max.
Okay, so if you have to name the top three recent debutants in Bollywood this
Mhm.
year, who would that be?
This year. Okay, there are many. There's one guy from Kill called Lakshya.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's Raghav Jual. Um, who else? There's Tara Sutaria.
Tara
Hey,
Uh,
Sutaria is old
old.
now.
Okay.
yeah.
I mean, this
This
year,
year,
who?
Suprika.
Tripti Dimri did very well in Animal.
I think the
So,
Sayyara guy,
yeah,
Yeah.
he's
Ahan
also
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ahan
Ahan
Pandey.
He's
Pandey.
very good.
And
He's like a new,
yeah.
brand new version of
Yeah,
Ranbir Kapoor.
yeah. Even Rohit Saraf.
Even Rohit Saraf. Very
Rohit
nice.
Saraf is
Very
great.
nice.
Okay. Which is the your favorite actress? Top three in
Top
last.
three.
Don't go very old. Say from 2000 onwards.
Don't go very old when you say you have to look at my white beard. So, if I say very new, बच्चे बच्चे लोग का नाम, he'll
नहीं
say,
दो
अरे,
दो 2000 से आगे वाले
2000 से आगे. I mean, there are many.
yeah. So
Uh,
your top three favorites
I would say,
actresses and then
uh,
actors. I will ask her.
oh, okay. I love one influencer, Prajakta Kohli. She's doing
Yeah,
very well.
the one from
Uh,
Mismatch.
yes. So
Yep.
she's doing very well in web series, her own influencer thing, and
Okay.
the way she has taken Indian name to the world. So I think one would be Prajakta
Prajakta
Kohli.
Kohli.
Second, mhm, why I'm not getting
See,
so.
why did you send us these questions
Yeah,
before that you're gonna ask?
actually,
it was
there
impromptu.
there are so many which we play the songs
Yeah.
every day, and I'm trying to
See,
recall.
see.
The Sayara girl is also
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Anit,
Yeah.
yeah.
she was good. And who
Anit
else?
Panda, yeah,
Anit Panda.
But
yeah.
Yeah, Anit Panda.
Padda.
Panda.
Padda.
Yeah. So yeah, she's good, and that's it. I think.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
remember
So
for
for
now.
you, what would be the three good top actors that you see?
Salman Khan, Salman Khan, Salman Khan.
You're a hardcore Salman Khan
It's
fan.
it's it's
Yeah.
it's because of her age. She loves her age, guys. And I tease her.
You're
Salman
just
Khan
I tease her.
revealing. You're
Salman
just
Khan.
is
revealing her
Chacha now.
age.
So
That's
call
not fair.
Salman Khan Chacha now.
He's gonna watch this interview for sure.
Salman Khan, if you're watching, you're already a Chacha.
Okay, great. Upcoming movies. What are the good upcoming movies you see that people should look out for?
People feel that being a radio jockey or media
You know.
personality, you would be a walking encyclopedia of Bollywood movies or stuff.
Right.
But let me
No,
confess
not
it
because
on
of that.
camera.
He said that he loves movies, so I thought let me just
Uh,
ask.
She's the opposite.
yeah, let me confess it on camera. In last 4 or 5 years or more, I have not watched more than 5 movies. Can you
Wow.
imagine? Yes.
And
Oh
I'm going
God.
to watch one movie on Sunday, Kantara.
Kanta.
Hmm.
But yes,
Kantara.
Hmm.
Kantara.
Part 2.
Part
It
one,
has
yeah, two,
come.
yeah,
Ah,
chapter one.
okay.
It
Okay.
is released.
Okay.
So
Finally.
Yeah, I like, but frankly speaking, I don't have patience, and I feel that I can do so much more in those 3 hours.
Okay.
So yeah,
That's your way of me.
yeah.
I love movies. That is my stress buster.
Mm.
When I'm from work. In fact, you won't believe there is a point in our house when we run out of all Netflix movies. Like all good movies are done now. What should we watch? We
That
start
happens with
repeating.
me also. Like many a times I'm browsing for movies, and it's already 1 hour and you still don't have a movie, and
Exactly.
you still want to watch because it's like a Friday or a Saturday night and
Correct.
it's your ritual, and
Correct.
I spend up like 1.5 hours
Just
watching
surfing.
absolutely nothing.
Just surfing. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't even know how to switch on the TV.
Really.
Yeah, actually,
I don't know.
she's
I
completely out.
don't know in my house how to switch on the TV.
She's hired a professional husband to do that. So
Yes.
yeah.
That's great. That's
Yeah.
good to know. I think that is something people might not be knowing about
Yeah,
you.
actually. But
Good.
when you ask me to come and do work, like work in the studio, I can do that for hours.
Right.
If you ask me to do, I know editing, I know how to produce and all those things. I know direction. I have directed quite a few episodes in the early stages of my career. So, yes, when it comes to work, I can work. But
Hmm.
when it comes to watching,
You can't
frankly speaking,
watch.
I
You
don't
don't
have
have that
patience to
Let
do
patience.
me
that.
tell you, in India, her car didn't have a radio
Yes,
system.
Oh,
And when
I
she
really?
was
didn't
at the
have a
peak of the
music
radio.
system. I didn't have a music system. I can't do that.
Okay, great. So apart from that, what are your hobbies? I mean, as when you have a spare time, apart from traveling, what would you do?
Earlier I used to love cooking. Now no more. And but yes, dressing up and what traveling, and yes, I love nature a lot. I would
Okay,
like to do something about taking care of the environment around, or wildlife. These are my passions, frankly
right,
speaking.
right.
I have a bit more serious hobbies now as growing with age. So yeah, I would like to do
You don't
something on
have to
that
say that. You're growing
No,
with
side.
age.
no, my hobbies keep on changing according to the money I have and according to what I love. But one thing remains constant is music. So I
Okay,
love music. I can sing. I can listen to music like for hours and days and months
okay,
continuously.
okay.
That's my passion.
Great, great. That is so amazing,
Yeah.
Prashant. What are the events coming up recently for Diwali? I mean, we have said that there are communities we should go, but any specific major event, like any, what do you say, any concert or anything coming up recently?
And nothing from our side as such, but yes, there are quite a few around.
Hmm.
So nothing
Yeah,
from our
I
side.
always feel, yeah.
Event scene has changed for
Yeah.
good in
Hmm.
Kenya. So we hope that we
Yeah,
get
I
more and more
always wish,
people.
Diwali time, either Shreya Ghoshal or Arijit Singh, someone
Oh.
that caliber should come to Kenya and we should be able to go
Diwali
to and
time, their
attend.
rates are
Very
so probably dollars would, attract them more.
And I think it's high time we should recognize our own
Yeah,
talent,
Local
yeah,
talents.
local talent. Why not? And
of course, of
now we
course,
have platforms like your podcast, like your social media, where you just sitting in a room, you can show your talent.
of
You
course.
actually don't need to go to
Uh,
5,000 people, 10,000 people, or to big production houses to
Correct,
recognize your talent.
correct.
Now,
That's the big shift
even
that
one
has happened.
single viral reel can give
Right.
you the recognition of a star.
Yeah, and even
Yeah.
just doing something, whether it gets viral or not, but
Yeah.
you are able to do
Yeah, I
that.
mean, you're
That
able to
itself is,
express.
yeah,
Yeah, I mean, opportunities are much better, much
correct.
higher in comparison to the earlier times, where you used to have a talent and you used to wait for the opportunity.
Exactly,
You don't need
exactly.
to do that. Just
Correct.
show off your talent, and I think the right opportunity will hit you.
Great.
Yeah.
I think I'm much happy with that conversation that has
Mm,
gone today.
mm.
Uh, I would just like you to give your messages for the viewers. What you feel about Diwali, about your life, how you should be having your day. The way he said, happiness is something you should pursue. So, any messages for the viewers?
For us as Asians staying out of Asia, out of maybe from whichever country you belong to, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka. When you come out and you celebrate Diwali, I think most of the times the thing you have in your mind is how your family or friends must be
Yeah.
celebrating in their homes.
Right.
So
Right.
don't worry about it. They are
The-
happy. They have enough people. And yes, for you, just find your friends here and be proud that you have done something away from your home. And
You've
yes,
taken that
celebrate it
step to
well.
take that
Yes,
courage, to come
yes.
out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
I think that would be a big comfort what she has said for everyone to hear and listen to. And because you're in Kenya, Hakuna Matata. Do
Yes.
not worry, be happy, just enjoy Diwali. And from both of us, we wish you all a very, very happy and safe Diwali.
Yes. Have a prosperous year ahead.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much, Prashant and Shubrika. I'm really happy to have this. And you have brought a different, you've created a different atmosphere today. So, yes, it
Thank
was
you.
lovely having you here.
Thank
It
you
Thank
so
was
you.
much.
lovely
Thank you.
being here. Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys. I hope you enjoy this episode. Next episode, we will continue learning and thriving. So, till then, keep watching us.